Check this out. When you go on YouTube and search Hindenburg fake, and you select this video, it's one of the videos that's listed below in the description of the first video I posted about the Hindenburg being fake, part 1. When you go to this video and you look at where it actually expires, see, it obviously changes frames. Check that out again.
The actual crash of the Hindenburg, an airship destroyed in less than half a minute.
Okay? Seeing that, you can't really tell what it is. So what I did is I go over to Chrome Web Store, download YouTube Downloader. You just, after you download it, it's going to come up here into your Chrome extension here. And so from there, when you're at this video, you can just click on this and it'll give you a quick, you can choose quick download, just like that. So then you can pull it up into a program like an Adobe program, which I have here. And here I have zoomed in so you can see this footage frame by frame. And when you begin to step to the right, the first frame, your normal frames are like this. When you begin to step to the right, the first frame, white, an eye. Yes, that is an eye. It goes from white to an eye to this picture of the Hindenburg, to a faded out picture of it, to this one, to an explosion, looks like, into this. So they use these different frames inside of the explosion. This is inside of the explosion, okay? So you're watching it, this is in the video, and there's this eye that pops up, shows you this, transitions into this, and then to the explosion. What? British Path. This is very poor editing in 1937. And yes, that was a subliminal message in there. So the first thing I thought was, let me check some of the other footage. When you look at this footage, this is some of the original footage from Path. And when the Hindenburg explodes, there's people that run away. And it's still in this footage. There's some footage where it's not there. You watch this, okay? Some of this has been cut out in other footage. When you look at the official documents that are preserved in our government, this has been cut out. It is not that somebody come in here and added this later. No. This has been cut out. All of this was edited in the original footage. And you'll see that things like this are in there. When you go to just the Hindenburg explosion and go to the one that's still listed here from the British Path, and you download that video, I have it in here as well. When you download this video, guess what? It's here too. Pause it right there. So here's the first frame. Second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. I downloaded all these frames. The first original, which is, I consider this the first frame. I downloaded all the frames so that we can check that out in more detail. Yeah, fake. Exactly.